Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting now. Power down the MacBook and remove power. Once done, photograph the spacebar to record orientation. This matters. Use a thin plastic pry tool to gently lift one edge of the spacebar, make a small corner pop, then slide along the back to free clips. Work slowly so you don't deform the stabilizer bar. Keep the screws and clips in a small tray. Make sure to note any foam or adhesive under the keycap before separating it from the scissor mechanism. Once the keycap is off, you see the scissor mechanism and stabilizer bar. Clean them thoroughly. Use compressed air and a soft brush to remove crumbs and dust. Do not flood with liquid. Inspect the tiny plastic clips and metal bar for bends or cracks. Damaged clips cause wobble and misalignment. If the stabilizer is loose, reseat its hooks into the cutouts and ensure the bar sits flat. If parts are broken, replace with the correct MacBook model components so the spacebar will realign properly. To finish, align the spacebar over the scissor mechanism and stabilize bar. Press down evenly across the length until you hear the clips click. Once attached, test key travel and responsiveness. Press in multiple spots. If it's sticky, remove and repeat cleaning or check for trapped debris. If the key feels loose or a clip won't seat, swap the scissor assembly or stabilizer kit for your model. If problems persist, stop. Seek professional repair to avoid cracking inexpensive plastic parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.